Hi guys. In this video, you will see a demo and find out if the alarm clock turns on if you put the phone to silent on the Samsung Galaxy A13. From the home screen, I'll go into the app screen. And then, open up the clock application. Next, we're going to set an alarm. Then go into alarm sound. Make sure alarm sound is turned on. And in here, you can choose ringtone. And then make sure that the day for the alarm to be switched on is activated. Next I'm going to swipe down. And make sure I'll turn off my phone sound. So I'm going to put it to silent. It is now in silent mode. And I'm going to decrease the volume in here as well. So put all the volume down. And now we're going to test it out. Here we've got the phone on silent, and the phone still race. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.